Oh fuck. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today he's working on his wife's car. My brother got some Raceland Coilovers. He's gonna install on his Lexus. And I'm figuring out some tweaks on the Z. But we're not gonna be working on this very long. We're gonna do that majority of the time.
What's up guys? Alright, I did the oil change. That shit was quick and easy. He's already working on what the fuck are they called? Raceland what nuts? Oh fuck. What else? It's a hassle because when you have to take this part off, it's holding it has pressure to it, so it's a pain in the ass. That's the front one. And you still have to do the front ones, huh?
Yeah. So Raceland does pretty much. You have to tear off the stock top hat for the front and the rears. Fucking sucks. Raceland gotta step up their game.
Oh fuck.
All this bullshit.
Sick ass red springs though, on blood. Oh fuck. Alright, here's the update. We got the first one on the height that he wants for his Lexus. And then we're gonna show you what we're at, and then we're gonna try to mimic it on the other side. Let's see, go.
Don't mind the clapped out fender car. I bought the car. Tight.
That's the height we're going for. It's enough. It's enough gap. You know?
Hey, watch out the fender.
Oh fuck. So this is gonna be the first try. We're gonna lower it. See how it goes. See if we got it on the spot. Oh, this side's better too. Look. Oh fuck. Did you lower it? All the way?
Fucking guy, what the fuck is that?
Look at that big ass fucking...
The fuck is that, my guy?
Oh fuck, there it is. Nope, back to... stock height or what? Oh fuck.
You guys did. Doesn't know how to do coils or what?
We lowered it all the way.
Wasn't even all the way, stupid.
That's nearly all the way, like this much left.
Come on, Ralphie. What's it saying?
How's it going, guys? This is what we ended up with for our like 5th try. Oh fuck. Looks good. But it's not even.
For some reason it's not even.
For some reason this side, like we left like 13 like the rings. I don't know what they're called. The nut. I don't know.
And this one, the passenger side's bottomed out.
Yeah, it's all the way to the bottom, like taking it home, right?
I took that shit home.
Oh, fuck.
It was because this side of the fender is clapped out.
Hey, bounce on your car. It's just bouncy.
I'm not paying that shit.
Now to the front. Yes. How's it going, guys? So we got Edgar in here. So we got that's the new front ones. It's a pain in the ass because we didn't have it set up already. Like this one's a little old for. This is stock, right? The stock one?
Yeah, this one's stock.
Yeah, so.
It's a cheap ass one.
Alright, so this is stock. That's his cheap ass ones, and then this is the new ones. And then the only thing we need is this front part, but every time try to take it out, the spring is already fucking loaded on there, so we gotta launch that shit. Fucking. Now he's attempting to put the next one in. And I'm gonna help him, so I'll be back.
What's up, mama?
Alright, so apparently these Nimrods thought it was fucking easier to leave the top hats on and then throw the coil on there, or whatever, but look.
Push up.
They fucked up the power steering or the fucking...
Done?
Look at that shit, man. Look at where's it at?
Hold on.
Sick ass fools. Pussy Jesus will do anything, man.
Alright, so it's on, and now he's turning the wheel. Go. Oh fuck, we still have to fix that thing. I think we have to adjust it higher, right? A little bit. Just sick though, look at it. That shit looks tight. It's just tight. Shaky cam, what's up? Thoughts?
What's up, guys? I was working on my car the whole time. They were working on the Lexus, but I changed out the intake. I went to stock. I bought those last week. It doesn't lag anymore. It felt like it was getting air because of the old ones, I guess. They got their gas and shit. They're over there. This shit sounds good. It sounds way better now, I'm not gonna lie. I've said that every time, but and then these guys, they should almost be done with the passenger side. These fools are taking forever. And I told them, grab the camera and make some footy, but I don't know what the fuck they're doing. The struggling is so bad and shit. They don't
Do you have another jack?
They don't even want to make footy. What?
Do you have another jack?
And it started raining out here. It started raining. Clouds came in clutch. Oh, fuck. This shit sounds good. Look at that shit. Fuck yeah. But maybe I'm gonna test drive it. Put some gas, put some air on the tires.
Do you have a clamp?
Oh, it's hitting.
Oh, too low.
Got some rookies, man. How about the other side?
That's great.
I think it hits. The rears are nice. Well, they're gonna keep on doing that. Huh.
Yeah.
Struggles.
Fuck the rain.
Still looks like it's gonna rub. Oh, fuck. They can't get it, can they?
This friend is gonna end up falling off. This one? Why? Turn this way.
Is it hitting it?
Yeah, move it. Because the body's not busting on. That side just fucking glides on the fucking.
Sick ass wheels.
Alright, Alright, so a little test drive in the rain. Let's see. What happened? Am I going with you or are you gonna just take it? Oh fuck. The rail we fucked up. Let's go. Chando Holly, what's up? I'm still recording. Oh fuck.
So I still feel any power at first right now.
The clutch still seems a little off. Isn't it? Unless that's you shifting. You banging gears or what?
Ish. Alright, so it still feels like what the fuck is that?
So they just fell. Oh fuck, a bumper!
What was that?
I don't know, it's a fucking bumper, dude. Stopping at the gas station, we'll be back.
Alright, so pretty much how my car feels, there is no power at all.
I'm giving it gas in second and it
Doesn't go, huh? See?
It should give power in second, no? Second and
Should
third?
get power in general. Fuck. Beefy ass. Turn. Oh fuck, I'm slowly.
No, it's not. Letting the clutch go.
No power, huh? Yeah. Big gas. Chill. Come on, man. Anyways, after we test drove that piece of shit that ran like shit, you can't see it. This shit has some complications. Let me show you something, man. I don't know what the fuck happened there. Oh,
Hey.
fuck. Hey, good looks on the light. I thought it was my fucking phone the whole time.
Hey, shout out Raceland.
Shout out Raceland, look at them. Yeah, so that happened. Now they're just putting everything, they're fixing it. And that's it. I don't know about the right hat, I didn't really see it because I was driving my rocket racer shit. Drives like shit, by the way. So they're gonna finish that. That'll be it for today. Alright. Can't really see shit, can't see nothing, but that's it. Deuces. Y'all have a good one.
Thumbs up.
Peace out. Later, bitches.